Good afternoon. This is just a simple video for the brand new Mercedes Sprinter S907 laser lights. Now this is a 4x4 version of the Mercedes Sprinter, and it's a motorhome, so makes no odds. The S907 is still a Mercedes Sprinter, but this particular vehicle has come into us today for a load of bits and pieces, but this video is just purely for the laser lights. Now these are the Triple-R 750. This is the Elite model, and I'm going to talk to you a bit more about how they work and how they function, how they integrate with the vehicle next. So this Mercedes is the S907, it's the Mercedes Sprinter. They look slightly different but are all pretty much the same in terms of this is the latest Sprinter model. Of course, as I said earlier, this is the 4x4, so it's much higher and more bulbous than you would normally see it. Either way, the front grille pretty much should be the same. It's a surprise that Mercedes have not made this gloss black like the rest of the bumper. They've cheapened it in a way because it's just flimsy matte black plastic, but I'm not Mercedes, I didn't make it. It's just an observation because I can. The laser lights certainly make it look more interesting, and it looks really nice now that they're in and fitted. Now, at the moment, the ignition is on, but there's no daytime running lights on, because on this particular model, Richard will have to start the engine, which he's going to do now. So, as soon as the engine running, we've then got the factory DRLs. These are the daytime running lights, and as soon as he puts his side lights on, so at the moment he's on auto, you'll see that the factory DRLs will dim, which is fine because when you hit dusk, those lights will then dim down. So if now Richard puts his main beam on, or dipped beam on rather, so this is, we're forcing it because we are in daylight. This is your normal nighttime driving lights. So reduced pattern on the DRLs, and then you've got your main dipped beam on. So if Richard was now to flash somebody to let somebody out, that's the main factory high beam on, and also our laser lights. So if he pushes the stalk forward, that's the laser lights now fully on. So hope you'll agree as well, what a massive difference. Now driving at night with this is going to completely and utterly change the scene, because we're going to be able to see so much further ahead with the laser lights. Now if you look on our website, the lasers come in 3 different styles. The Lazer Elite has the longest and the widest throw pattern of all of them, but it doesn't come with factory daytime running lights. So if you turn the lasers off, when the lasers are not on, or the high beam's not on, they are not working. There's no DRL or position light for them, but it doesn't matter because you've got the factory ones. Okay. Okay, thanks a lot for that, Richard. So engine can now go off, and of course once the key is out the ignition, then that won't make any difference. Now if the key is out the ignition but Richard was still to use high beam, they're still going to work as per factory specification, and the reason for that is because we have wired it in through a CAN bus data interface that then talks data for these to seamlessly integrate with the high beam stalk on the next to the steering wheel. So if you've got a vehicle like this and it's a Mercedes S907 or any of the other vehicles that we featured for the laser lights, then do get in touch with us. Website links in the bio. Most of these products on our website will be going on the website, but stay tuned, keep watching our YouTube channel for all of our new products, and thanks for watching.